What if you could create dozens of images at once with ChatGPT instead of generating them one by one? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to create bulk images in ChatGPT, saving you tons of time and making your content creation much faster. You can use this method to generate multiple images for social media, YouTube, blogs, or any project in just a few clicks. Let's see how it works.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then just visit my YouTube channel, and you can see I create daily one videos about AI. You will find some awesome useful content. And here you can see I created one extension for Pinterest, and here you can see these are the analytics for every pin. So if you are working on Pinterest, then just visit my YouTube channel and watch another videos. And this is the game-changing extension for Pinterest. You can easily analyze Pinterest, save, reaction, share, and repin, then comment and publish date. But this video is about, here you can see I created another extension that is for the Gemini batch image generation. Here you can see this is the batch generation for the Gemini, and the another extension is for, just close this extension, and this extension for batch ChatGPT. Here you can see you can generate multiple images in single click. You don't need to paste one by one prompt. So first I will give both extension in this video description, so for that you need to watch this complete video till the end. This is the extension. Here you can see I will give zip file or extracted file both. You just need to download this video, but to get this extension you need to just complete 200 like on this video or 1000 views on this video. So hit the like button and also do a nice comment. Then simply go to, after download the extension, simply go to your Chrome profile or any browser, just click on this three dot, then click on this extension, manage extension, then turn on this developer mode. By default it's turn off, so turn on this. Then here you can see load unpacked, simply click on this and browse the location where you downloaded the extension or extracted the extension. Here you can see this is my extension, so simply select the folder, then click on this select folder. You can also use drag and drop. Here you can see our extension is added. This is the Astro GPT bulk image generation. Now we need to pin this extension. You can also use this pack extension. Simply click on this and drag and drop the folder where extension is located. Now our extension is added. Now simply go to chatgpt.com. Just log in your free account. Here you can see I already had logged in my free account. Here you can see free. Now we need to generate few prompt to image generation. Here you can see my prompt, give me 10 image generation prompt, each line one prompt. So simply send the, first we need to image generation prompt, so simply copy, then click on this extension and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also connect me on LinkedIn or add on Facebook. You can also, if you want to try more tools, then simply visit this techpolestar.com. Click on this start generating. You can adjust this according to this sidebar, according to you. And here you can see you can also turn on dark mode or light mode. And here is setting option. These are the setting option. You can customize it according to you. And here you can see input prompt. You can also import via txt file or CSV, but here I am using just text. And here you can see prompt. Now we need to format this prompt. Now here you can see I already format my all of the 10 prompt, and here you can see 10 prompt. Now scroll down and select the aspect ratio. Here you can see aspect ratio 1:1, 9:16, 16:9, 3:4 and 4:3. You can also upload reference image. Here you can see reference. You can upload up to 8 reference image. Simply click on this plus item to upload your reference image. Let's create in a size 16:9. Then simply click on this generate batch, and here you can see in recent queue generating our first image. Now I will do a little bit fast mode to save your time. Here you can see our image is generating. Now let's wait few moments. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. And here you can see our first image is created and downloaded also. Now it's generating second image. And here you can see our second image is also generated. Now it's generating our third image. And here you can see also a small preview of image. Here this is the image. Our third image is also downloaded, and now it's generating fourth image. And here you can see fourth image is also downloaded. Now generating fifth image. By this way you can generate unlimited image in completely free without any hassle. If in case the image is not generating, if you are pasting here 50 prompt and the for example 5 images is not generated, then you can simply click on this retry button. Here you can see this is the retry. Our fifth image is also downloaded. This is the retry button. If in case the image is not generated, just use this retry feature. So by this way you can create unlimited AI image in a completely free ChatGPT account. I'll suggest you to use multiple accounts so you can create exactly unlimited image. Let me show you where is downloaded my file. This is the image which is generated by ChatGPT, my extension. You can also use this. Just complete 200 like on this video or 1k views on this video, so I will give you in completely free this extension and Gemini extension also. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide and make sure visit techpolster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.